Hello everyone, this is a Blender add-on for Godot. You can export instance to Godot. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to scatter objects and how to export instances to Godot. First, if you want to scatter objects, you need to enable an add-on that called Scatter Objects. It's built in Blender. So first, you can find it in here, and you need to enable it. Then you can click F3 and type scatter. So it's here. This is a new scene that I have created. The scene have a tree and a terrain, and I'm going to use the scatter add-on to scatter the trees on terrain. Now you can export it and click the trees and click here. Select your Godot project folder. Now I'm going to export the terrain to Godot. Add the mountains to the scene. Then add the tree to the scene. Attach the script that you downloaded from the BlenderMarket. Select the JSON file that you exported from the Blender add-on, the Multify add-on. If you want to instance the trees, you should set the name theme. You can set it as a placeholder or not. So as you can see, the trees are all exported to the Godot, and they are the same as in Blender.